Hi. I'm going to read this instead of just speaking because my written word is better than the way I speak. So I just want to say that rarely in life do we ever have a chance to change the course of our lives. And as I've grown older, I've become more and more conscious of that fact. Several months ago, I was suffering from out of control blood pressure, dizziness, brain fog, little to no energy, and heart problems. And the worst of all was that I thought all I could think of was ill health and, well, what can I do? I'll never be healthy again. That was the worst. And that's when I met you, Dr. Pratiksha Gandhi, who introduced me to ECP. You said it was a way to increase energy and blood flow to the heart and even to the brain. And that sounded pretty good to me. But I checked with my cardiologist first. And I was surprised that he said he actually tried to get it into his practice, but couldn't for various reasons, red tape and so forth. And he suggested I give it a try. So I was kind of apprehensive that I could even drive back and forth to the sessions myself, but I felt like I had nothing to lose. Well, after 35 sessions, I can tell you truly that my blood pressure is under control. I have enough energy to take care of my grandchildren for 5 hours, which is no small feat. I go to the gym. I'm walking 10,000 steps. And I'm no longer dizzy. Even my brain fog is gone. And I feel like I have a new lease on life. I just have more hope in the future that I'm not going to be gone tomorrow or something terrible will happen. So if you ever have the opportunity to get ECP treatments, I would highly recommend you do so. It changed the course of my life, and I think it could change the course of your life too. Thank you.